Let's learn English while doing the laundry. Please like and subscribe to Ann Daily English. Let's begin.
I sort the laundry. I sort the laundry.
I separate the whites from the colors. I separate the whites from the colors.
I check the pockets. I check the pockets.
I turn the clothes inside out. I turn the clothes inside out.
I load the washing machine. I load the washing machine.
I add the detergent. I add the detergent. I add the fabric softener. I add the fabric softener.
I close the washing machine door. I close the washing machine door.
I choose the wash cycle. I choose the wash cycle.
I start the washing machine. I start the washing machine. I wait for the wash cycle to finish. I wait for the wash cycle to finish.
I open the washing machine door. I open the washing machine door.
I take out the wet clothes. I take out the wet clothes.
I put the wet clothes in the basket. I put the wet clothes in the basket.
I carry the laundry basket. I carry the laundry basket.
I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes.
I use clothes pegs. I use clothes pegs.
I leave the clothes to dry. I leave the clothes to dry.
I take down the dry clothes. I take down the dry clothes.
I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes.
I iron the clothes. I iron the clothes. I hang the ironed clothes. I hang the ironed clothes. I put the clothes away. I put the clothes away.
I put the laundry basket away. I put the laundry basket away.
I finished the laundry. I finished the laundry.
This is a quick quiz. Let's review what we learned. Choose the correct answer. Good luck.
I sort the laundry. I sort the laundry.
I add the fabric softener.
I open the washing machine door. I open the washing machine door.
I hang the clothes.
I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes.
That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these beginner English learning videos.